In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Marksheet in Microsoft Excel. We'll be building a simple Marksheet that automatically calculates totals, percentages, and grades, which makes it much easier to organize student results and avoid manual calculation errors. This is especially useful if you're working with multiple students and want a neat, reusable format. To begin, open the Excel file where you want to create the Marksheet. Once your sheet is ready, the first thing you need to do is enter the marks. Fill in the subject scores for each student in the appropriate columns. Make sure each student's marks are entered on the correct row, because the formulas we use later will depend on that row structure staying consistent. After entering the marks, move to the total column. Here you'll calculate the total score for each student by adding all subject marks in that row. In the first total cell, type the SUM formula using the range of cells that contains that student's subject scores. Once you press enter, Excel will return the combined total. To apply the same calculation to the remaining students, move your cursor to the bottom right corner of the cell until it changes, then drag the formula downward. This copies the formula while automatically adjusting it for each row. Next, calculate the percentage. If each subject is marked out of 100 and your sample has 3 subjects, then the total possible score is 300. In the percentage column, type a formula that takes the student's total, divides it by 300, and multiplies by 100. This converts the total into a percentage. After entering it for the first student, use the same drag-down method to copy the formula to the rest of the rows. If your number of subjects is different, just remember to replace 300 with the correct maximum total. Now it's time to assign grades. In the grade column, use a nested if formula based on the percentage value. Set it so that if the percentage is 75 or above, the grade is A. If it's 60 or above, return B. If it's 40 or above, return C. Anything below that should return fail. After entering the formula in the first row, copy it down the column, just like before. As a quick tip, double-check 1 or 2 rows manually to make sure your formulas are working as expected. That helps catch mistakes early, especially if a cell reference was selected incorrectly. And that's it. You've successfully created a Marksheet in Microsoft Excel that can automatically calculate totals, percentages, and grades.